Приветствую! Today we'll continue to talk about Russian cases. All the videos about our cases you can find in my account below. Today we will talk about dative case. In smart words, it's indirect object. We have direct object, accusative case, so logically we should have indirect object. Or in simple words, just receiver. It's one of the easiest rules, but my students have a lot of mistakes here. A really huge hint is preposition to. All the time after preposition to, we use dative case. The postman gives the package to the woman. Woman is the receiver of the package, so it stands in dative case. The deer sends a letter to the elephant. The elephant stands right after the preposition to, so we use again dative case. The boy is calling to the friend. The friend is in dative case because the friend is the receiver of the call. So just remember about receiver and you will definitely understand dative case. In Russian, we translate dative case like дательный. It goes from the verb дать to give. So, when we give something to someone, use dative case. Also, today I give you one little exercise bonus. Look at this picture and try to indicate all the cases by yourself. Let me help you with the first one. The girl wears a hat. The girl is a nominative case because it stands before the verb. The verb here is wears. The hat is accusative case because it stands after the verb. So, try to do it like this, and if you want to be corrected, type your answer in comments. We finished talk about basic rules in Russian cases. It's the first way how you should indicate the cases. The second is prepositions. Stick with me and you will understand Russian grammar completely. Пока-пока.